Hey fitness buffs, ever wondered why green tea is all the rage these days? Well, stick around for the next 3 minutes as I break down the amazing benefits of drinking green tea every day. First up, these little warriors, especially catechins like EGCG, help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Next, green tea can. It's been shown to increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation, making it a popular choice for weight loss. Plus, it might even enhance your exercise performance by increasing fat oxidation during workouts. Moving on to heart health. Regular consumption of green tea may help lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Some studies even suggest it can help reduce blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Now, let's talk brain function. Green tea contains caffeine, but in a lower amount than coffee. This caffeine can improve brain function, mood, and reaction time. Plus, the amino acid L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness, potentially enhancing cognitive function. Here's a big one. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in green tea can lower the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The polyphenols in green tea can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce tumor formation. Green tea also supports oral health. The catechins have antibacterial properties that can reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. It can even help freshen your breath. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, green tea might help. Some studies suggest it can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, potentially lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Drinking green tea may also promote longevity. Research indicates that regular green tea drinkers may have a lower risk of mortality from all causes. So sipping on green tea could potentially contribute to a longer life. Your skin can benefit too. The anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce acne and other skin conditions. And some studies suggest that topical application of green tea extracts may offer protection against UV damage. Green tea aids digestion as well. It may help alleviate digestive issues and promote a healthy gut microbiome, potentially aiding in digestion. Feeling stressed? The presence of L-theanine in green tea may promote relaxation and reduce stress, contributing to improved mental well-being. Finally, green tea contributes to your daily fluid intake, helping to keep you hydrated. So there you have it. Incorporate green tea into your diet and enjoy these incredible health benefits. Just remember, moderation is key. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Diseases and Cure channel for more health tips. Catch you in the next video.